Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. One more time. Okay. Now we need to close that up. All right, lay into it real hard. Again. Again.